aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 10th January current affairs. The topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is double counting of special economic zones transaction which inflate the gold import. The topic is comes under our GS3 Indian economy and issues relating to planning, mobilization of resource, growth, development, and also employment. The topic why it is in the news. There is a glitches in effort to migrate special economic zone trade. That reporting that IGE gate system had led to in both systems sharing the mutually exclusive data to commerce industry ministry that more connection may be offering the latest challenges that is a reflect for first phase of the reconciliation a day after affecting the large scale that is 14.2 billion dollar downward revision of India's goods and import data that first 8 months that is 2024 to 25 the center on Thursday it says that there is a erroneous figures where the thrown up due to the double counting of certain imports into the special economic zone that encountered into interdepartmental committee to spruce up trade data credibility. There is a double counting of SEZ transaction that inflated gold import figure. It's that reporting error where transaction related to gold movement between the special economic zone and also there is a domestic tariff area. They are incorrectly recorded multiple times. This results a overstatement of official trade statistics, particularly for the gold imports. This will cause a major glitch in the economy. First of all, there is a key concept of mechanism that is a special economic zones. So there is a zones designed areas to a different trade and business that regulate the rest of the country to promote export and attract the investment, and also it will be the transaction with the within and between the SEZs are subject to unique customers and also trade rules, and also there is a domestic tariff area that is a DTA refers to the part of the country outside that SEZ where standard trade policies of the tariff apply. There is a nature of error. How the error can happen? That is a gold imported into the SEZ is mean the further processing of re-export. That a transaction involving the gold or recorded both the entering into the SEZ and when it moves to the SEZ from SEZ to DTA, it creates a double counting. So this is a key issue. Similarly, re-exports the SEZ may also counted improperly. So further that which will inflate the trade figures. This is the main key concept and mechanism. What are the impact of this figure? That is a inflated import data that gold imported into SEZ get reported as import when entering the India. If the same gold is transferred to the DTA and recorded again, the import data is erroneously increased, and also there is a misleading economic indicators. This trade deficit calculator or affected as import or a key component of the trade balance statistics. So this will affect our statistics. So it will exaggerated the import data and may influence the policy decisions such as tariffs or trade restriction on gold, and also there is a market implication is a one of the thing that is incorrect data affect the market sentiment and investment decision, particularly in the sector sensitive to the gold prices, and also there is a trade balance figures. This is the main impact on the trade figures. There is some examples that is in India gold imports ballooned in certain fiscal quarters due to discrepancy caused by the double counting of SEZ transaction. The review of Reserve Bank of India and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry identify the errors. SEZ and DTA transaction were recorded. So there is a steps taken to address the double counting. First step, that is a revised reporting mechanism that clear separation SEZ import export data from regular trade data and updating the guidelines for the customer official and trade data compilers, and also they can give the data reconciliation. That is a reconciliation mechanism between the customs records and trade reports to eliminate the redundancy, and also there is a improved auditing that conducting regular audit trade statistics focusing on high value commodities like gold. So these are the main steps towards the double counting. And finally, the double counting of SEZ transaction is a significant statistical error that can distort the gold import figure and impact the trade balance reporting. Correcting the requires better coordination between the customs and also SEZ authority. This is a statistical agency to ensure accurate trade data representation for the preventing policy missteps and also market disruptions. Thank you so much.